Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make mini caramel donuts. Real tasty. Let's get started. Get a large mixing bowl and put in 1 cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, 1 egg, about a quarter of a cup to a third of a cup of oil. You can use any oil you want. About a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And anywhere from a quarter of a cup to a third of a cup of caramel sauce or caramel topping. Now just mix this together. I'm gonna get a quarter of a cup or so of sprinkles and just mix that together. Then get a mini donut maker, which I've got. Just make sure to give it a spray with oil and then pour your mix. Then close. Wait about 24 minutes, then it should be done. Alright, yummy. Now just take them off. Yeah, just be real careful because this is really hot. Get a small bowl and put in 1 cup of powdered sugar or confectionery sugar. Get about a quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 40 milliliters of milk. Now mix this through. Now chuck this in the microwave for about 34 seconds on 50% heat. And now, get your donuts. Dip it in. Now if you also want sprinkles on it, do that too. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a mini caramel donut, as you can see. Oh, give it a taste. Absolutely whompsie. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.